Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Windows 11 language packs using settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon in the taskbar. Next, select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language. Now, choose Language and Region from the options on the left side. Under the Language section, you will see the option to add a language. Click on the Add a Language button. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your desired language. Once you find the language, click on it to select it. Then, click on the Next button. In the next window, you will see additional options related to the language pack. Ensure the checkbox next to Install Language Pack is selected. You may also choose to set this language as the display language. After making your selections, click on the Install button. The system will begin downloading the language pack. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you will see the language listed under the preferred languages. To start using the new language, you may need to log out or restart your computer. For added features, you can also install the language's optional features. To do this, click on the language you just installed, then select Options. Here, you can add handwriting and speech features if desired. After you've customized your settings, you're ready to use your new language in Windows 11. Enjoy exploring your computer in a new language. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.